quantitative reasoning is found by some students to be a little annoying or irritating or difficult, as the case may be. But here the secret is to use formulae. There are various formulas available, like speed is equal to distance over time, or upstream plus downstream divided by 2 is the average speed. So you need to use certain formulae and you'll be able to crack the questions. We come to the first question for today, which is the average age of a group of 30 boys is 16 years. A boy of age 19 leaves the group and a new boy joins the group. If the new average age of the group is 15.8 years, find the age of the new boy. Now, let us say average age of 30 boys is 16 years. So how much is 30 into 16? 480 is the total age of all the 30 students. Now there is a boy who leaves this group. 480 minus x, 480 minus 19. The guy who's 19 years of age has left the group and a new boy has joined it. His age we don't know, so we'll term it x. Now if the new average age of the group is 15.8 years, find the age of the new boy. Now we see that 30 multiplied by 16. Now we have to find out the value of x. So 30 boys who average age is 16 minus 19 plus x, and the entire thing divided by 30, right? Because the number of boys is 30. The average age earlier was 16. So 30 into 16 was the total age. Now one boy of 19 has left the group and a new boy has joined in whose age we don't know. So that expression has been captured in this bracket. The average age, the total number of students is still 30 because one boy left, another boy joined. The average age, the total number of boys in the group is still 30. So the average age of these 30 boys, this new average age becomes 15.8. Now you please solve it and tell me the value of x. The value of x is 13, which is answer number B. Now can you explain to everyone how you did arrive at value of?
Sir, first we will multiply 15.8 into 30.
Okay.
So it will be 474.
Right.
Then sir, 16 into 30 will be 480 and 480 minus 19 will be 461.
So 474 is equal to?
Equal to 461.
461
Plus x.
Plus x, correct.
Then
So
sir,
x value
x
is?
equal to 474 minus 461. That is 30.
Fantastic. Great. Lovely. So this is how you have to use a formula, apply logic, and arrive at the answer. We move on to the next question. The average age of 30 boys in a class is 15 years. If we include the age of 2 teachers, the average age increases by 1. Find the sum of ages of the 2 teachers. What will we do here? How will we go about it? Total age is how much? 30 into 15 is equal to? After this, what should we do? We have to add the age of 2 teachers. How will we write that expression? Think. When we arrive at the answer, you'll think. Use logic. Think.
Plus, sir, the equation will be 450 plus 2x equal to 16 into 32.
450 plus 2x.
Plus 2x equal to 16
Sorry,
into
plus
32.
2x.
Yes, sir.
Equal to?
16 into 32.
Okay.
Then sir, 450 plus 2x equal to 512.
Okay.
Then sir, 2x will be 62.
Yeah.
Sir,
So
then
the
sir,
average age of the sum of ages of two teachers is 62. Another way to do this, has everyone understood? I'll show you another way how you can solve this. The average age of 30 boys in a class is 15 years. We have to add the age of two teachers. So now total number of people will be how many? 32. The average age increases of 32 people increases by 1. So average age becomes 16. 32 into 16 is how much? 512. Now this is the new average. This is the old average. 512 is the new total age. 450 was the old total age. So we divide we subtract from 512. We subtract 450. Answer is 62. Easy. 3 steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Got it? Both methods are correct. You can use this or you can use this. Whatever you are comfortable with, you can use that. Now, it is so easy that you just have to sit back and think about the problem a bit and you'll arrive at the answer. Fantastic. Great. Let's move to the next one. If the sum is 240 and average is 40, find the number of quantities. If you are fearful of numbers, you'll get confused, but you have to become friends with numbers. So become friends, look at the numbers in a friendly manner and use logic, plain logic. Kabilaksha, can you explain how you arrived at 6?
Sir, actually, to find average, what you will do is we'll add all the quantities and divide by the number of quantities. So now they have given that the sum of all the quantities is 240, and we have to find the quantities, number of quantities, and also they have given that the average is 40. So 40 is equal to 240 by x. So by dividing 240 by 40, we will get 6.
So this is the formula. Average is equal to, what is average? Sum divided by the number of quantity. So number of quantity becomes sum divided by average, right? Which is equal to 240 divided by 40. Correct? The answer is 6. Everyone got it? Has everyone understood? Next, we move on to the next question, which is what should be added to 1459 so that it is exactly divisible by 12? Again, logical question. Think 1459 divided by 12 is equal to 121.58. We don't need a number with decimal points. So to find out how much is a whole number, 121 into 12 is equal to 1452. Now 1452 is 7 less than 1459 minus 1452 is equal to 7. Now to find out how much needs to be added, we deduct from 12 this figure of 7. We come at 5. Now we use this 5 and add it to 1459. 1459 plus 5 is equal to the figure that was given by Abhijit, which is 1464. Now 1464 is exactly divisible by 12. How much is the answer? 122. Everyone got how it's calculated? Got the calculation? Okay. Yeah. Next question. Today is Wednesday. After 68 days, what day will it be? It will be what day? It will be Friday, Sunday, Monday, Thursday, what? Simple logic. Nothing complicated. Very simple logic. You don't have to manually count it.
So every 8th day would be Wednesday only. If we count that day also, then every 8th day, including that day, would be Wednesday. So then, so 63rd day will also be Wednesday. So after that, we'll count 5 days more. Then we'll get
5 days after Wednesday is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So it should be Monday. Is that the logic you're using?
yes, sir.
Good. Your answer is correct. After 7 days, the day is repeated. So after 70 days, a faster calculation than dividing 68 by 7 is after 70 days, it will be Wednesday. Subtract 2 days from Wednesday, it's Monday. Mental math, quick solution. Now, you might need your pen and paper for this. A mother is twice as old as her son. Mother is twice as old as her son. If 20 years ago, the age of the mother was 10 times the age of the son, what is the present age of the mother? Mother. We will take son is x, so mother is 2x. अब क्या करें? What's next? Use your pen and paper. Mother is twice as old as her son. If son is age is x, mother is 2x. Now you have to put 20 years ago. Where will you put 20 years ago? 20 years ago. Any guesses, anyone? Where will you put 20 years ago? Yes, Abhijit, both sides. So x minus 20 equal to 2x minus 20. So 20 years ago, what was the status? The age of the mother was 10 times the age of the son. Age of the mother was 10 times the age of the son. This is age of the mother. She was 10 times the age of her son. So 10 like this, 10 into. Now can somebody quickly solve this equation and tell me what the answer of x is? Now 8x is equal to 180 minus 20 plus 200, 180. So x will be equal to how much? 22.5. Now this is x, this is x. X is what? Son's age. So mother's age currently is 2x. So 22.5, mother's age 22.5 into 2 equal to 45. Answer is D. Got it, everyone? Move on to the next one. And this is where it gets interesting. A man rows downstream at 20 km per hour and rows upstream at 15 km per hour. At what speed can he row in still water? You should be able to do this mentally. Upstream plus downstream. Upstream means against the current, downstream means with the current. So against the current is 15 kilometers, downstream with the current is 20 kilometers. Average speed is 20 plus 15 divided by 2, 35 divided by 2, 17.5. You don't need a calculator. You don't need to do this on pen and paper. Easy answer. Mark it as 17.5 and move forward to the next question. A man swims 12 km downstream and 10 km upstream. If he takes 2 hours each time, what is the speed of the stream? Here, what will you do? What formula will you use? You are given distance 12 km and 10 km. You are given time 2 hours. What formula will you use? Don't get overwhelmed by the question about the river and the person and the boat and swimming and whatever. Just use a formula. You are given Distance, you are given time. What formula will you use? Distance over time is what? Speed. Speed is equal to distance over time. So what is the speed of the man swimming downstream? The man swimming downstream is 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. And the man swimming upstream, what is his speed? It is 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. What we need to calculate is upstream, average of upstream and downstream, which is 6. How will you calculate this? You have to take out average speed of downstream and upstream and then divide by, yes, Abhijit, it is 0.5. D is the correct answer. 1 divided by 2, that will be the correct answer. Okay, moving on to the next question. A boat covers 800 meters in 600 seconds against the stream. Against the stream means upstream, and returns downstream in 5 minutes. What is the speed of boat in still water? So again, you are given distance, you are given time. What is the speed you have to calculate? So you will use formula speed equal to distance over time. So speed of boat upstream is how much? Upstream is 800 divided by 600, which is how much? 4 by 3. Speed downstream is how much? 800 meters divided by 5 into 60 equal to 800 divided by 300 equal to 8 by 3. Now you got to take out average. What will average be?
Per second.
4 by 3 plus 8 by 3 divided by 2.
Yes, sir.
कितना बना?
Sir, 12 by 3 divided by 2. Then, sir, it will be 2 meters per second.
And this is the right answer. How many times does the hand of a clock coincide in a day? How many times do the hands of a clock coincide in a day? Cutting a roll into 10 parts, you need 9 slices, not 10. That's a hint. Correct. 22 is the right answer, because in every 12 hours, from 12 o'clock to 12 o'clock, it is 12 hours, the hands coincide 11 times. The 12th time will not be counted because that goes into the second round. In 12 hours, the hands coincide 11 times. So in 24 hours, which is two full circles of the clock, the hands will coincide 11 plus 11, 22 times. Now, 11th question is, an accurate clock indicates 8 o'clock in the morning. Through how many degrees the hour hand turns when the clock indicates 3 o'clock in the afternoon? In the morning at 8 o'clock, the clock is here. Through how many degrees does the hour hand turn when the clock indicates 3 o'clock? So an easier way to do this is, from 8 o'clock to 3 o'clock, there are 7 hours. In 12 hours, the hand covers 360 degrees, like you very correctly said. So 360 divided by 12 into 7. That's your answer. 360 degrees divided by 12, which is 12 hours, into 7 hours. That's 210. So your answer is correct. This is a kind of question which I used to find very irritating when I was in school, which was, I think, in the pre-independence era. It was so long ago. A pipe can fill a tank in 6 hours and another pipe can empty the tank in 12 hours. A pipe can fill a tank in 6 hours and another pipe can empty the tank in 12 hours. So my first reaction after reading this question used to be, then why have you put the two pipes? Either put in one pipe to fill or put the other pipe to take it out. You are working against each other. Why is this question even here? It doesn't deserve to be here. But in any case, in the examination, this kind of question may come. So if the pipes are opened at the same time, it is absolute foolishness. But suppose if both the pipes are opened at the same time, in how much time can the tank be filled in? I'm sure you are more brilliant than I was and you'll be able to arrive at the answer. Yes, Abhijit, can you walk us through the answer? A pipe can fill a tank in 6 hours and another pipe can empty the tank in 12 hours. We'll make them inverse and then plus 1/6. And why will we make them inverse?
Because sir, 1/6 is the hour in which the pipe can fill a tank in 1 hour.
Correct. So 1/6 is the time in which the pipe can fill the tank in 1 hour. Correct. And this is minus 1/12.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what do we do? What's next?
Its result will be 1/12 only.
Its result will be 1/12.
Yes, sir.
Right? Because 12 is the LCM, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1/12 is the answer. So 1/12 is what?
So that the pipe can fill in 1 hour.
Correct.
And
1
both
by
pipes
12
are open.
1/12 is 1/12 of the tank can be filled in 1 hour, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Sir,
how
when
much
both
time?
when both the pipes are open.
Yes, when both the pipes are open. And in how much time can the tank be filled?
Sir, 12 hours. We will multiply it by 12, so we get 1.
Right. Why will we multiply by 12?
Sir, to make a fraction 1.
Correct. So 1/12 multiplied by 12 is equal to 1.
Yes,
This
sir.
is to make the fraction 1. Therefore, how much time do we need is 12 hours. B. Has everyone got it? All okay? 3 pipes A, B and C can fill a cistern in 8 minutes, 12 minutes and 16 minutes respectively. What is the time taken by 3 pipes to fill the cistern when they are opened together? The logic is almost similar to what you used in the last question. 3 pipes A, B and C can fill a cistern in 8 minutes, 12 minutes and 16 minutes. What is the time taken by 3 pipes to fill the cistern when they are open together? So for everyone's reference, I'm going to put this on the screen. 1/8 plus 1/12 plus 1/16 is equal to, LCM will be 48 because that's common, and this is 13. How is it 13? 6 plus 4 plus 3. 13/48. 13/48 is time taken by the 3 pipes to fill the cistern in 1 minute. Therefore, to find out how much time it will take, we will inverse this to 48/13. How much time will be taken by the 3 pipes to fill the cistern when they are opened together? 13/48 is the amount, is the 13/48 of the cistern will be filled by the 3 pipes in 1 minute. So the time taken to fill the cistern completely will be inverse of 13/48, which is 48/13, which is 3.7 minutes. Has everyone else understood? Train and pool, again, very irritating. If a train is moving, let it go. Why do you have to keep measuring the speed? A train moving at a speed of 90 kilometers per hour crosses a pole in 7 seconds. I wish it crashed into the pole sometimes, but in my school, it never did. A train moving at a speed of 90 kilometers per hour crosses a pole in 7 seconds. Great, fantastic, good for it. Why should we be bothered about it? Find the length of the train. Why? Why should we find the length of the train? Was used my first question. But since it's there, we need to find the answer. So, any ideas? Train moving at 90 kilometers crosses a pole in 7 seconds. Whoosh! It's gone. 7 seconds. No, it didn't go actually that far because 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Chuck, 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 chuck. It's going 7 seconds it took to cross the pool. What is the length of the train? Again, use the formula speed is equal to distance over time. First thing that you need to do is convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, because it is saying 7 seconds. So to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, what do? You multiply 90 by how much? To convert kilometer per hour.
5/18.
Yes, 5 by 18. What is the answer?
Sir, 25 meter per second.
Wonderful, wonderful. 25 meter per second.
Sir,
So
into 7, that
25 into 7 seconds.
yes, sir.
7 seconds is equal to
175 meter.
everyone clear how we arrived at this? 175 meters. D is the right answer. Has everyone got it? Have a look at the test papers on the BEST portal. Start practicing on that. It'll be good for you to practice. Also, please give your feedback on the portal. I enjoyed myself in the session. I hope you did too. In case you enjoyed, if you have any feedback, please do put it over there. You liked it, you didn't like it, whatever it is, your own opinion, you're welcome to it. Just put it there. Thank you so much. All the best. Bye-bye.